Handy Hudsonite here. If you're looking for a webcam, I was sent an inexpensive webcam by Jecoo that we're going to unbox and review. I'm going to compare it to my Logitech C920 webcam to see how it performs. Now, this webcam is inexpensive, and I mean really inexpensive. I'll get into those details as well as this comparison with my webcam right after this. So I was sent this Jecoo webcam. The cost on Amazon is very minimal. In fact, it's under $30. I'll have the link in the description if you want to check it out. We're going to do an unboxing here, a first look, and then I'm going to compare it with my Logitech C920 webcam that I've used for a long time. See how it compares visually, audio, and in the audio. I'm not sure what to expect. I've seen mixed reviews on this. I'm hopeful, but again, I'm not going to get my expectations up as to the quality of this being exactly like the Logitech, which has a great track record of good webcams. So let's get into unboxing and taking a first look at this. Okay, let's unbox the Jecoo webcam that I was sent here, and we'll see what this looks like. This obviously is my first look at the product. Again, a $29 webcam off of Amazon, and there's a coupon right now, so you can actually get it for less than $29. Let me just cut into this and see what we've got as far as our webcam. Okay, so got a small box here. Web camera, so pretty basic boxing. Made in China. 5-glass lens, built-in mic, 1080p FHD, auto white balance, video chat, conference. Okay, so let's see what's inside here. Okay, so we are met with the webcam. Again, the Jecoo webcam, it is 1080p, 30 frames per second, and you'll notice here that there are two lights. I believe that's the recording light. This is the power light. So that's helpful to have that recording light to know when you are actually using it to record, or possibly it's a light to just let you know it's in use. Okay, so like with any webcam, there's not going to be really many accessories besides the webcam itself and the USB cord to connect it and power it. It does have a mount on the bottom so that you can connect it to a tripod. It also has this clasp, and it has kind of a non-skid backing here, so that it stays securely on your laptop or whatever you might want to mount it on. This does have 360-degree rotation, which is nice. Oh, it does actually kind of pivot back and forth, which is nice because my Logitech webcam does not pivot like that. I can only move it up and down, so that's a great feature. It's got a curved back on here. Got this plastic protector over the lens to keep it from getting scratched in transport. And then you've got the cord. Looks like the cord is probably anywhere from 4 to 6 feet long, which is plenty long for plugging into a laptop or using it with your desktop. So I'll show you more of the features of this and how it performs later on here. So in the box you get a very nice business card, guarantee card from Jecoo, 1-year worry-free warranty, and then a 10% coupon on your next Jecoo purchase. So that's a nice little bonus in here. And then obviously the user's manual. How to install your webcam, and you got the Spanish version and the English version showing you how to connect it. And it looks like it's compatible with Windows, Mac, and even Linux. So if you're a Linux user, this will work on that as well. So that's great. So from the unboxing, we can see that it's a well-built device, but that's not going to mean anything if it doesn't perform. So let's get into a comparison with my Logitech webcam. So I'm going to first take a look at the Logitech and just do a recording, a short recording of me, so that we can get a sense of that. I'm going to use the exact same lighting setup that I have now. I'm actually recording with my Canon M50. This camera is going to be far superior as to the quality we'll get with these webcams. Again, make sure to check out the link in my description if you want to use the Canon M50. I've had this for just a few weeks, but I love it. It's been a great upgrade for my channel. So let's look at the Logitech webcam and how it performs. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3 with the Logitech webcam. Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that was a look at the Logitech webcam, and we can see that the colors are good, the audio quality is good with the onboard mic. Now let's take a look at the Jecoo webcam, and I'll switch over to that. We'll do a similar test, again similar lighting that I have here, and we'll see how it compares. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is the Jecoo webcam. Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there's the test of the Jecoo webcam. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and I'll tell you what my thoughts are here on the comparison of these two. Now, as expected, because I've been using it a long time, the Logitech webcam has good quality. It's got a nice wide field so that you can use it close up if you're using it on your laptop. Now, the Jecoo is also a 1080p webcam. I do like the fact that it has that 360-degree rotation and the side-to-side tilt that I mentioned in the unboxing. The Logitech can swivel up and down, but there's no 360-degree side-to-side rotation with it, so that's a downside to that. The Jecoo has those two lights on it. It has that bright red power light, and then it has a very bright green light that comes on when the camera's in use, which I've found to be a little bit too bright, but there's always ways around that. Visually, the Jecoo, in my opinion, is much less superior to the Logitech. The color just is not very vibrant. There's a lot more noise in the image, so that's a downside. Now, that's not a deal killer for me. I mean, this could still be used on an extra laptop, or if you have a really strict budget and you don't want to spend more than $30 on a webcam, then this webcam could be for you. Now, when it comes to the audio, I'm severely disappointed in that audio quality. The noise in the audio compared to the Logitech, that was a surprise for me for sure. But again, there is a workaround. You can just choose not to use the mic on the Jecoo webcam. You can just use the native mic built into your laptop or whatever device you're using it on. You can also use an external mic instead of that one, and a lot of people do that. They will buy a high-end mic and use it, but I'm not sure why you would want to spend a lot of money on a good mic when you are using this budget webcam. But again, that's up to you. Let me know in the comments what you think. So my final my final tally on these two webcams. Again, I'm still pleased with my Logitech. I'll probably continue to use that. I'm going to give the Jecoo to my son to use. He doesn't have a webcam and has been wanting one for a while, so this is just a great opportunity for him to learn how to use one. So it's a great budget webcam. Again, under $30, and it's got a coupon at the time of this filming, so even cheaper. So not a bad camera to pick up if you're on a strict budget. I appreciate you watching this. Be sure to subscribe for more tips, hacks, and reviews like this one. And again, make sure to like the video so that YouTube will share this out. And I will see you in the next video.